Welcome to Musto Invest in Cambodia, and in today's video I'm here in this apartment tour. You can see this is one bedroom apartment in the Chochongva area, very near the riverside, just like 10 minutes drive to the riverside of Phnom Penh. And I will show you guys what you can get for around $400 per month. A beautiful place, a lot of greenery, and also a lot of facilities here. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to Musto Invest in Cambodia, hit the notification button, and do check out our official website in the description below. Contact us on our Facebook meta page or Instagram page for any legal service in Cambodia. And yes, I'm here in this beautiful apartment in the Chochongva area of Phnom Penh, very near the Soka Hotel, and also very near the Chochongva bridge, the Japanese bridge to the riverside of Phnom Penh. So the location is unbelievable. And there is also the swimming pool that is downstairs. We also have the gym, and everything is included in the price. There is even a restaurant. So this apartment makes sense for you if you want to stay in Phnom Penh for a few months. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen and the bathroom. You can see there is a bathroom with shower and everything is already ready. The bedroom, you can see there is a wardrobe. There is a TV here. You can see this is the TV. And you also have a very beautiful view. You can see the Mekong River from the window. Nice air conditioning. And yes, you may ask yourself, what about the balcony? I will show you the balcony. This is the balcony. There is the sofa. There is the washing machine. And most importantly, there is this beautiful balcony. There is the beautiful view of the Morgan and Maison. I've had clients that bought a few units there. Beautiful fresh air. Very good location. Very central, very near La Vista 1. So yes, all of these for just $400 per month. I think this is a great choice for you if you want to stay in Phnom Penh for a few months. The owner is very friendly. He's actually a doctor, so actually this is a very good location, and I highly recommend you. If you're interested, do contact us on our two official websites, our Facebook meta page or Instagram page. This is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.